So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the third brake light or the top brake light on this Ford Transit. So we're going to go ahead and start off by opening up the doors in the back to use the step, so it makes it a lot easier. As you can see here, this one is completely damaged. Using a very fine, thin flathead, we're going to go ahead and create separation. I like to remove the broken plastic parts so I could identify the clips a lot easier. So we're going to go ahead and slide it in and create separation to be able to pull it out. After that, we're going to go ahead and go to our clip. We're going to push it in and out. Now we're going to go ahead and get our new one, inspect it, make sure it's all good to go. And we're going to go ahead and align the connector, insert it, hear that click, and now we're just going to go ahead and align the metallic tabs. I like to go from the top to bottom and then simply just push in with some force and go ahead and remove that plastic protector. Now we're going to go ahead and close our doors. Come up to the top, make sure everything is good to go, everything is aligned. As you can see here, we moved our old piece and everything is working properly. And just like that, you are good to go.